5 short years we've shared our lives. Look, my dear, how we've thrived, built a home, transformed a house, how we've grown. And there's more of us, and so was Deborah. And I have got to tell you, we're going to have another baby. Don't go saying that we're crazy for great souls. Why not one more without tough goals? Life would be a bore, and so Deborah